Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So festive seasons are around its corner and everybody want to get glammed out with their look. And you all know that makeup is never complete without a kajal. But we face some issues that it smudges out, it is not long lasting, it is not waterproof, and wing liner is always a craze when we are creating a look, a complete look. So drawing a wing liner is really a tough job for beginners especially, because even if we get in one eye the proper wing liner, drawing the same in the other eye is really a big task. So I have solutions for these. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so the eye pencil that I'm going to share now is this one. This is a brand called as Bella Waste. So I've not heard about this brand much until I actually used it, and it is very black with just one stroke, and the texture is very creamy, so it is buildable as well. Okay, so now let's hop on to the smudge proof and waterproof test. So here is the eye pencil. Okay, so I've tried smudging it and you can see no product has come off. Okay, now let's quickly do the waterproof test. So I have water here with me and I'll try to put it here. So you can see no product. This was what I wanted to show, and this is why I like this kajal. It is smudge proof and it is waterproof. It claims it stays up to 12 hours, but no, personally for me it stays only up to 9 hours. But it's a fair amount of time, and the price is on the affordable side. So before I have used the Colossal one, but I feel this works for me better than that brand, so I wanted to show you guys this. So another note that I would like to share is always make sure your kajal or something that you're using near your eyes is always a dermatologically tested product. This brand kajal pencil is dermatologically tested, so make sure you're using a good product, especially when you're taking it near your eyes, because it's a sensitive place. Coming to the favorite part, the favorite product as well. So it is from the brand A by A, Aya brand. Okay, so this has two ends. Okay, it's pretty. So it is like this. It's very thin, very pointed, and the other end is a stamp. So coming to how we use it, so it's just a stamp. You can see, so we hold it this way vertically and keep the stamp here, and then we build it using this end. So you can see it is a very thin, very sharp pointed. So we put a stamp using this. Hope it's visible properly, else I'll add an image here somewhere. So this is how this has saved a lot of time for me, literally a lot of time. It just takes few seconds. I just put the stamp using this and then build it using this end itself, and it stays for a pretty longer time of about 7 hours. And yes, it is smudge proof and waterproof as well. So hope this video was useful for you guys. If so, give it a like and subscribe, because there are many more interesting videos on the way. So thanks for watching as well. See you guys in the next video. Take care.